Once again, my name is Innocent Mapanda, and thank you for tuning in to Innocent Mapanda tutorials. We are going to focus on the topic of variation, inverse variation. So I'm going to use this question from November 2014, ZIMSEC paper 1. It reads, the time t hours varies inversely as the speed as kilometers per hour. Right, so there is a big difference between directly and inversely. Inversely means 1 over something. Inversely means 1 over something. So whenever you see this word inversely, you write 1 on top, then you put the something as your denominator. So let me start by writing this t. Then varies, it means you are going to put the variation sign here. Inversely means 1 over something, so you put 1 on top, then divide by the something which is in front, and the something is given as s, the speed in kilometers per hour. So I'm going to divide by s. I hope you are following, class. Right, but if the question comes as varies directly, directly means as it is. Directly means as it is. So you write t, then you put the variation sign, then you put s as it is without 1 over something. This is the difference between direct variation and inverse variation. I hope you are following, class. Right. So let us proceed here. Right. So majority of the questions in variation, we usually multiply the right side with the small letter k, which is the constant of proportionality. But however, this question is specific as to the letter representing the constant term. They are saying express t in terms of s and constant d. So it means we are not going to multiply with k, but we are going to multiply with d, where d is the constant of proportionality specified by the question. So I'm going to write t first, then remove the variation sign, you put equal sign. 1 over s is going to be multiplied by d. You get t is equals to d over s. So this is the answer for part 1. So I'm going to write t is equals to d over s. I hope you are following, class. Let us move on to item 2. Calculate the constant d when t is equals to 12 minutes. Here comes the danger part of the question. The question is giving you t in minutes, yet the introduction of the question is specific that s is representing kilometers per hour. It means according to this question, time is being expressed in hours and not in minutes. So if you are given t as 12 minutes, you have to convert the 12 minutes into hours. Do you know that in 1 minute, in 1 hour, we have 60 minutes? So 12 is going to be divided by 60 to identify the hours. So I'm going to write t as 12 over 60. I hope you are following, class. Right. So let us substitute. We want to find d. I'm going to put 12 over 60 on t is equals to d over s is equals to 15. I hope you are following. 12 into 12, you get 1. Then 12 into 60, you get 5. So you now have 1 over 5 is equals to d over 15. Cross multiply, you get 5d is equals to 15. Then divide both sides by 5. D is equals to 3. So your answer is 3. So be very careful. If the question is in hours and you are given minutes, you don't use minutes. Otherwise, the question will read 12 minutes as 12 hours. Thank you.